How much is the DS?
The DS is 35.
And how much is the Xbox?
180.
Oh, no, I'm sorry. I was going to plug that in so that we.
Oh, look, we're like, we spotted it. I'm like, is that a speaker? Yeah.
Sorry, I was just going to plug that in so that we've got something to listen to.
Like, all right.
Yes, that's better, isn't it? I know. Before you sell it. Do you want to take that?
Yeah, I think I'm going to. I
Yeah.
just didn't want to rip the sign on you.
Fine. I'll just put it on that one because it was the biggest.
Gotcha.
We put it on there. Okay.
Yeah, the wind will take it otherwise, right?
Yes.
And how much do you have on?
3.
You got the bargain of the century.
Oh! I can get this thing. Oh, that's terrible. I got 2 singles and the rest are 20s. I don't know if you guys got change. I'll see if I can find something.
Nobody's counting.
You sure? Thank
Yeah,
you so
that's
much.
fine.
What you
That's
can
fine.
do, you can drop the doll off at the library.
Next time.
I'll go ahead and do that. Thank you so much. I appreciate it.
Yes. You're welcome.
Good luck with the rest of the day.
Thank you very much.
Thanks.
Yeah, the pillow covers come with it.
I wish it fit our bed. I love
Yeah, we love that one.
Will you take $2? Not bad. Okay, then I'm gonna pass because I'm not positive. I still have to wash it. No, I think I'll pass. I'm good. You can hold that. It sounds like you should be put up right. 29,000. How nice. Oh, in Florida. What do you have with that? Are you security now? It's the hottest spot. It's on the floor. She had to run home. Oh, that's hers, right? Yeah.
I think I'm going to take this, but I want to look around and see if there's anything else.
Okay, do you want me to hold it back here?
Sure.
So you don't have to carry it?
Thank you.
Yeah, no problem.
Appreciate it.
I'll be right back here.
Alrighty.
You know what? Honestly, first of all, yes. So what? I don't know if this makes sense, but what my friend's son is. I do on my parents. I thought it was
Lost my purse. Like which one?
Oh, Justin's bringing a purse. He doesn't even try to. He says a woman's purse is too dangerous. Oh, I have a. Yeah.
This one's got 4 on it. I just didn't really want it originally because it was a little dirty, but I feel like it's a shame to separate it from
I
that
know,
one, you know what I mean?
right?
Would you do 8 on both?
Yes,
definitely.
Perfect. See if I can get out the little, you know, grime marks or whatever they are.
And they were never used. It's just they're dirty from sitting.
Yeah, yeah, that's usually
Can I
what
put
it is.
this in the here?
Yeah, yeah. Thank you.
Okay. There you go. $12.
Perfect. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Good luck with the rest of the day.
Yeah, thank you. At least it's not too hot.
Yeah, well, at least it's not raining either.
Amen to that.
Take care.
Bye.
I think this thing is supposed to like plug into a cigarette lighter in the car.
Right.
Do you just, I just don't know like where that plug piece is.
Can we hold them?
Yeah.
Bill's the technology guy.
Well, I mean, that looks like it might actually be a battery. Hang on.
Well, see here on that, that's just why
Yeah,
I
that's
assumed
the
it was in
wire.
that thing.
Well, there should be a wire then. That's for the battery. That's the compressor.
Isn't it weird?
Hello. Can you say hello? Would Grandpa know?
Does the compressor come out?
It seems like it just stays in there.
Some vehicles must have ignition switch turn on operate. Check air leak. Check connection fire.
I'll ask Grandpa because hey Ben, can you say hello? Say hello.
1, 2, 3.
Hello. Mama.
You'd imagine, and I think you're right.
And it's just like, where would that even plug in? You know what I mean?
Mama.
Maybe the base comes out. 'Cause it looks like there's a gap.
I want to see that. Nice and clear.
Oh, okay.
Mama. 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 Huh. There you go, babe. Thank you, Grandma.
You're welcome, honey. Yeah, you're gonna get your bottle, honey. Hold on a minute.
Grand Life Mystery.
Thank you, Grammy.
What is that exactly?
It's a air pump for a tire,
Oh,
but we're trying to figure out
How it
how
plugs
it
in.
screws on and plugs in.
what in the world are you doing, mister?
No idea.
It's not frayed. And there's nothing missing. It doesn't even look like there's
I
anything
know.
missing.
Dome's going next, Grandpa.
Maybe it goes to get something else?
No, like,
What's in here? What's
well, that's the compressor.
No, but I'm saying, is there an opening or something where you put one of these?
There must be, because you know what? This obviously attaches to the battery. Something has to power the compressor.
Pull it out.
Well, I'm trying.
Can we get that?
Because it looks like you can access the bottom. This is 2-point,
Yeah.
but
No, I think just that.
moving a
Take
little.
that out.
no, the compressor isn't moving.
Oh, that's not moving.
I mean, the box is flexing. Try not to break it.
Doesn't make what went in here. This little box, place.
What is that?
Yeah, that.
Well, there's no hole, so there's not like a cord has been ripped out. There's no like evidence of a cord being ripped out.
Yeah.
Oh, figured it out. Battery,
Okay.
compressor. This is powered by the battery.
Ah,
Bet
okay.
if we pop the hood and we did that, this thing would run. If you want to test it, we can. If you're interested in this thing.
Yeah, yeah, sure.
All right, let's see if it works.
Thank you. I appreciate it. How much for the hat?
Thank you. Oh, you're welcome. $2?
It's fine. Thank you very much.
Thank you. You're welcome.
How much for the baseball bat? But you said 50 cents. I'm just kidding.
I forgot I spoke more on that.
I'm just kidding with you.
$1 is still pretty fair.
Oh yeah, yeah, absolutely. There you are.
Thanks, man.
Thank you very much.
You got it.
Have a good rest of your day.
Yeah, you too, Angel. Yeah, a lot more stuff, but don't stop.
Well, now I got a baseball bat, so now everything, all the other garage sales is free.
Yeah,
You know? Take care. Now I got something to beat myself over the head with. So I'm gonna be honest, you guys, I had so much footage from yesterday that I could not put it all in here. I must have went to close to 20 garage sales, and that's not normal for me. Usually I'm in the vicinity of around 10, I want to say, but the area I ended up going to had a lot of community sales, and I honestly think that kind of hurt me because there was just so many people there, and I didn't get around to that area until like 10:30. So it was already the second day that a lot of people are doing their sales because it was Saturday, not Friday. And I wasn't even there for the opening. So a lot of the good stuff, I'm sure, was gone by then. I think in the future, I'm going to kind of not be as ready to go into those community sales because, I mean, the logic behind it is it's so heavily advertised. There's so many people there and there's so many people participating. So what do you expect? Do you really expect all of the good stuff to stay for, until Sunday? It's not going to happen. But those garage sales that maybe take 10 minutes to drive, not as many people are getting in the car and going and driving for one garage sale. If they're going to go, maybe they go to a church sale or a community sale or something like that where they can hit 6 or 7 of them and they kind of stay there for like half the day and do that. And that's fine. But we're here to make money. We're here to make profit. And we're here to find gems, right? So I think in the future, I'm going to be more more swayed towards the areas where there's a little bit more driving, just because I know it's going to be more difficult for other people to get there and have the same eye that I have for stuff. Overall, I think I spent about 6 hours yesterday going out and sailing, and honestly, I'm really disappointed with the amount of things that I did find. 20 garage sales and all of that, and we're only coming back with 6 items. But to spend 18 and to make 200, I mean, to me, that's not too bad. You know what I mean? If you take $182, which is your estimated profit, and you divide that by 6 hours, would you be happy with $30 an hour? I mean, some people would. Some people, that's a lot of money, you know what I mean? And that's a bad day. That's a bad day. There's been days where I go out and I spend $100 and I make 1,000, you know what I mean? And that's estimated sales and all of that good stuff. But I'm also very conservative. I'm not one of these people, like, you see these TV shows, American Pickers, and they're like, oh yeah, I'm gonna buy this for this, and then I'm gonna sell this for this, and then you're like, okay, can I see the sold comp, please? Because there's no way in hell anybody bought that for that price. Or like Storage Wars, when they tally up like how much they're gonna make from the unit, and you're just sitting there like, there's no way. I'm very realistic with my numbers, so what you see is what you get. And I do make what sells on eBay videos. Try to do that once a week so that you guys can actually see that I am selling stuff and I'm not just going out and buying crap and keeping it here in my apartment until it fills up and I get on the next episode of Hoarders. And maybe that's another career option as well. So if this doesn't work out, great. I've got, plan B. But with that being said, there will be another video like this next week. I did order a GoPro backpack shoulder mount just because I tried to, I really wanted to just put something out there for you guys in regards to this. And so I ended up having to settle for, I literally just took a shoelace and I tied it around my GoPro Hero case thing and I wore it around my neck. So half of the audio is scuffed. Oh my god, editing this was just complete chaos because the orientation of the shots that were being taken, like, because the camera is dangling around my neck, it's changing from landscape to portrait to all of that. It was just a mess, but I ended up being able to figure it out. And I'm getting better with it, and once I get that mount for the backpack, the sound is going to be a lot better and the angle is going to be a lot better, and I won't have to worry about that orientation stuff. So it's only going to get better from here, guys. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe and tell me what I can do to improve. I'm really enjoying this. I'm really enjoying my time with you guys. I'm really enjoying see what everybody is selling, and I'm really enjoying bringing a lot of value to the marketplace because it's something that I haven't been able to do in a long time. And I think I'm getting kind of good at this. So we're going to see what the future holds, but it looks like it's bright. So that being said, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Thank you for watching the video, and take care.